Hey out there YouTube, how we doing today? Today's video is gonna be one of the ones you're gonna wanna watch, trust me. Alright? I'm not gonna say too much in the big title, but we're gonna say it right after we roll that intro. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I'm going to take one moment and say thank you to your first time viewers of this channel. Man, you picked a great one today. I'm serious, you really did. It's an amazing video, and I know you saw by that title. But for you first time viewers, I'm going to say this. Look right down here, okay? You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, click on it, do whatever you're going to do to bring up subscribe. You're going to want to do that, especially with this video. And also, we're growing and we're having a lot of fun here, and I want you to come along for the ride. Alrighty, guys. Now, as you saw by that opening, normally when we do giveaways, it is a huge bunch of everyday carry stuff. Well, this one's no different, alright? I was going to save this for like the 100th beard care giveaway video. Nah, we never do things normal here on the channel. So today we're going to give away a tremendous beard care pack for you. All right. I remember when I first started out, I had no clue things to get, things to do, things to whatever. So I'm going to try to give you an amazing pack that's going to help you as a brand new beardsman, or maybe an older beardsman who haven't used any of these before, something different to try. Now, everybody needs like a good boar's bristle brush, but seeing how this is like a beginner's pack, it's just a Cremo one. It's no big deal. I've used one of these for a very long time. It holds up great. Also, a Cremo sandalwood comb. I still have my original one that I got 3 years ago, and it has held up wonderful. The only thing it's done is got a little darker on the wood from the oils and the cleaning that I've done on it. So you get two things to help groom the man mane. Now I'm going to throw in a multifunctional item, alright? Johnny Slicks, who donated this, his spring pomade. As you can see on the inside, has not been touched at all, okay? And if you're curious about, damn, it still smells great. Wow. If you're curious about this one, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever we've brought to the channel. This one is in there. So if you need to know all the particulars about it, go look that one up. Now, we are going to give you a massive collection of beard oil. Okay? Really, really are. Going to give you Stagecoach 2 ounces by Boss Man Brands. This stuff is amazing. The tobacco, bourbon, leather smell it has. Oh, it's my favorite Boss Man Brand scent. So that's why I bought it, and I'm throwing it in there. Now, from Joe Miller, that legendary bastard that he is, you're going to get a coffee, tobacco, and bourbon beard oil. He hand makes these. He's out of, I believe, Cleveland, Ohio. Yeah, right there. Made in Cleveland, Ohio. So you're going to get this. He was beyond kind to donate this one, too. This one, as well as the last two that I've brought, have been in that card that you saw. So if you want more details on those, like I said, go check that card. Now, the next three have been donated by, Miners Beard Co. Now, they sent me these out a while ago, and I could never really figure out what to do with them, how to give them away, or do whatever. And live feeds with Miners Beard Co. kind of got held up. So, it's all right. They're going in this thing. You're going to get a 1 ounce of their bay rum, plus a matching 1 ounce bomb. You're going to get a 1 ounce of their mocha blend, plus a 1 ounce matching balm. And I guess Beard Times with Scott really loves this one. And I hate to brag, brother, but I had this one before you did, so I just didn't review it so good. It's their smoking orange scent. And you know it, plus a matching 1 ounce balm. And if you guys are curious about their balms, I actually opened this one and haven't touched it at all on the inside. That's what it looks like. So, ooh, wait, and there's the ingredients on it. So as usual, this is how you enter, okay? You've got to like this video. You have to be a subscriber. I would say share it, give people, a whole bunch of other chances, And here's the most important part. This is how you get your entry. Leave a comment down below. All right? That's how I'm going to pick it, is the YouTube random comment picker. I've done it with all my other videos. One entry per person, because if you leave multiple comments, the YouTube random picker is going to like throw them out, and all you're going to do is exclude yourself from the competition. So it's real simple. Like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm going to leave this video up 10 days from when I post it. That way everybody has a great chance to get in it. I'll close it out and do what I usually do. Roll that video of me using the YouTube random comment picker, and you're going to figure out the winner in about 10 days after this thing posts. So, there we go, guys. Now, I usually don't need to do the questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below, because I know you guys are going to be going, holy crap, that's awesome. It's a huge kit. I was going to give you a wash and a co-wash, but I really couldn't figure out neutral scents to send people that might be within something, so sorry. You're going to have to figure out how to wash your man-made on your own and what you're going to like. But I think I gave you a huge variety of stuff that you're going to be able to get a good feel for other companies' oils and balms, and especially, you know, like my boy Johnny Slicks with his pomade that could be used for your hair and your beard. But there we are, guys. Now, let's do the usual wrap-up like we always do. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me that you chose this one, and I hope you didn't choose it because you think it's going to be a giveaway, because I'm going to try to screw up the title. That way people who are just looking for giveaways don't find this video, and I want my subscribers to get a really good chance to get this stuff. Okay? Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, man, seriously, hop on board. We're growing. We're having a lot of fun. We really are. Now, I need you to look right down there. Get a big channel watermark symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and beat up that subscribe button, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Man, that's a good question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, that's right, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be great viewing experiences for you. But there we go, guys. Our channel's first huge beard care giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and enter, because if you don't enter, you can't win.